in your sight. Sneaking out the back door. Sneaking out the back door. Big Dick Johnson was a ladies' man, chasing Peggy Sue, selling July Pam, spitting his game all over the place. Then he picked them off because slapping the face. Sneaking out the back door. Sneaking out the back door. Big Dick Johnson told him to buy a couple of ladies hanging on each arm. He hit the blind when his wife showed up, caught him with the left-handed uppercut. Sneaking out the back door. Well, you think he would learn his lesson, finally be a one-woman man, but he's a two-time and three-time and four-time and player, king of the one-night stand, king of the one-night stand. One more time, Glenn. Do it to him. On the bulletproof vest. Give it up and wave. Give me some hands right here. Come on. Come on, I need everybody, baby. It's Friday night. You gotta give mojo. Crazy mixed up world we're living in, baby. We need all the positive vibes we can get. Well, Big Dick Johnson finally met his fate, sneaking around with another man's mate. The man walked in and caught Dick in the eye, shot him with the 45 right in the back. Sneaking out the back door. Sneaking out the back door. Sneaking out the back